Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nabila Cynthia Devi. My student ID number is 20251660063. And today I am going to share my thoughts on the role of English in the nursing profession and also some tips on how to learn English effectively as a nursing student. So let's get into it. Okay, so first, why does English even matter for us as a nursing students? Well, I personally think that English is one of the most important skills we need to develop not just as students but as future healthcare professionals. And here is why. The first reason is access to knowledge. Most of the latest research, medical journals, and clinical guidelines are written in English. Things like WHO guidelines, nursing research paper, even tutorials on medical procedures, they are mostly in English. So, if we can read or understand English well, we are missing out on a huge source of knowledge that could actually help us become better nurse. The second reason is patient communication. As a nurse, we don't only care for local patients, especially if we work in a big cities or tourist areas. There's a real chance we will encounter patients from other countries who don't speak Bahasa. In those moments, English become our bridge. Being able to communicate clearly with a foreign patient, understanding their symptoms, explaining a procedure, or simply reassuring them can make a huge difference in the quality care we provide. And the third reason is career opportunities. A lot of nurses from Indonesia have gone on to work abroad in places like the Middle East, Japan, Australia, or Europe, and almost all of those opportunities require some level of English proficiency. Even scholarship programs for further studies overseas usually ask for an IELTS or TOEFL score. So, if we want to grow our careers beyond Indonesia, English is basically a must. No, I know what some of you might be thinking. I'm already so busy with nursing classes. When I'm supposed to learn English? Trust me, I get it. But the good news is you don't need hours and hours every day. Here are some tips that I think actually works. Tips number 1. Learn English that relevant to nursing. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, focus on medical English first. Learn common medical terms, patient assessment phrases, things like that. There are tons of free resources on YouTube and apps like Quizlet where you can find nursing specific vocabulary. It's more efficient and way more useful for our file. Tips number 2. Be consistent even if just a little every day. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day makes a big difference over time. You can watch short English video, listen to podcasts on your way to campus, or read a simple article. The key is consistency. Little by little, your skills will grow. Tips number 3. Don't be afraid to speak. This is honestly the biggest challenge for most of us, including me. We are scared of making mistakes, scared of sounding funny, but the truth is, making mistakes is how we learn. Try to talking of to friend in English, practice in front of a mirror, or even just talk to yourself. It sounds silly, but it really helps build confidence. Tips number 4. Use apps and technology. We are so lucky to live in a time where learning is literally in our hands. Apps like Duolingo, BBC Learning English, or even just watching your favorite shows with English subtitles, all of this count as learning. Make your screen time work for you. So, to wrap things up, I genuinely believe that English is one of the best investment we can make as a future nurse. It gives us better knowledge, help us to connect with patients from all over the world, and opens up so many more opportunities for our careers. It might feel challenging at first, but with small, consistent efforts, I'm sure we can get out there. So that's all from me today. I hope this was helpful and thank you so much for watching. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.